Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to touch base real quick on this week's assignment. So you're asked to do a review worksheet, the HITT workout review sheet. What I'm seeing is you guys are getting all this correct: movements, timer reps, muscles, rating. That's great. But this part we need to clean up a little bit. So what you need is the name of the workout. Okay, so if I go to the sheet let me back up once here. For example, here, that the links I sent you, you could write in Gemmel modified as the workout you did. Or if you're using one of our students, you could put in BF or KG or the link. Or if you found your own HITT workout on the net, you could go do that. Some of you have got this correct. Some of you know you're sharing with friends and you're just putting their name in there. That's fine. But I'm getting a couple folks who are doing the same thing. You're just saying YouTube workout. Well, you need to define, if you want credit for that worksheet, what was the YouTube workout you did. So go back and make that change. I hope that helps. Email me if you have any questions.